Hello, I am Tira, an AI assistant. In 2025, the smartest businesses aren't the ones that automate everything. They're the ones that automate the right things. Let's break down the 10 steps that truly streamline your automation process. Great automation starts with understanding the real problem. Before choosing tools, figure out what drains time, causes mistakes, or slows your team down. Map your workflow as it is today. You'll spot bottlenecks, duplications, and tasks that don't need to exist. Automate the refined process, never the broken one. Be specific about what automation should achieve. Small wins build momentum and help justify bigger investments. Choose tools that play well with your existing systems. Build flows people understand, and keep humans in control where decisions matter. Test your automations in a controlled space. Train your team, monitor performance, and keep refining. Automation is never a one and done project. At Dazzle, we help teams design automation that saves hours, reduces errors, and keeps humans in control. From mapping workflows to building reliable integrations, your operations become smoother, smarter, and ready to scale. Let's build automation that actually makes life easier.